Hi everyone. In this video we are going to talk about path, which is an environmental variable, and also we need to know how to add new commands to the system. So as an example, I'm going to use ngrok tool. This tool allow us to publish over the internet any application that is running on the local host. Very helpful tool. Okay, if I'm typing ngrok at this moment, the command line says that the command is not found. So how can we do that for adding this command to the system so we can find it just typing it? For this, we have a variable called path. Let me print the current content for that variable. This is a system variable. And as you can see, we have listed different paths such as /sbin, /bin, /usr, /sbin. So in all of these paths in the system, we will find all the commands that we are able to use in the command line. So if we want to add new commands to the command line, we need to add new paths to this variable. So I'm going to display my working directory, which is where the tool resides. You can see here is the ngrok tool. So this is the path. So I'm going to copy because I'm going to add it to the variable path. So for doing this, I'm going to use the export command. Then I'm going to update the content or the value for this variable. Okay, I'm going to paste, then colon, $sign, path, because I'm going to concatenate the value, and also I'm going to print the value again. As you can see, the new directory, the new path is already in the variable. This means that if I type ngrok again, the command should be found, and it is. This is the expected behavior because my current path, or where the tool or where the command is located, is now added to the path variable, so the system recognizes it and it will allow me to use it. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and share some comments there. Stay tuned. Thanks.